Hey guys, Anthony here from XXX RC Garage, and got a few items in today. Got me the Bowhouse everybody here remembers my Gen 8. So this is the one we're going to be working on. So I'm going to go ahead and remove the body. We got the wires disconnected. So what we're going to be doing today is replacing this skid plate with this smoother skid plate. So let me get this thing's propped up. And we'll go ahead and open this up on camera. So this is the one that's going to be replacing that one. Now it does have a slight beveled hump here, but okay, so to do what we got to do is looking at this thing here. We're going to have to undo the drive shafts, 3 of them, 3 ends, and this transfer case is going to come out. And of course we're going to do something with the motor, the transmission here, so we're probably going to be removing that as well. Okay, so this is the transfer case. I guess maybe I didn't have to undo all those drive shafts, but then again, maybe I did. Plug this, I'll set that over there. Now that we got all that out of the way, it's time to do the skid plate. Alright, so that's the rear axle. And it's time to do the front axle. Okay, now, pop these links out. Let these loose. That's the way it goes. So this just slides out. So there's the 2 different things. As you notice, it's not going to have that's where the nuts came in, the 4 nuts that came with the kit. Then we're going to do, once we do those, we'll go ahead and do the nuts and get them in place after we tighten everything here. Okay guys, this should be the last of that particular what we had to do here. Okay, so now that we got the 4 bolt nuts in place, so now we're going to do the links back in place. So I'm just going to go ahead and start this one in the hole. So I'm hoping I'm right when I do this, but I'm going to try to go ahead and put the pan hard bar in first before I put the other piece. Hold on, let me take a peek at something. Like it's like this. Now I know I'm trying to cut corners and not take tires off and blah blah blah, and I'm just trying to see if we could do this without a lot of magic. Okay. So This is going to go here. This is going to go here. Okay. So let's get this part. Okay. So the shocks are going to go back on here like such. And this link here, okay, so I see what's got to happen. So the washers they sent us need to be when we screw it onto here. That's weird. These screws are all the same length. Look at the old motor plate for a second. Apparently the same width. I'm just wondering why these are for the rear. This has got to be for it here. Unreal. Screws for the long links, and I got these four here, they're all the same size, and I feel like I'm missing something here. The shock just fell off. Why am I missing the screw? Okay, so now I put the two long ones in the middle again. Okay, so now do the other side. So honestly, this is the first time I'm opening up this transfer case, so wow, there was plenty of grease in here still. Nice. I need to see what we have over here and what exactly we're replacing. So it looks like that's a plastic and this is metal. Place. Take this one out. Plastic and metal. All right, So we just got to get some grease for this. So I can't find my marine grease. I did find my red tacky. This is a multi-purpose grease, and it is for marine as well as everything else. So I am going to be using this because I have no choice really. So do pull this back out, and we're just going to go ahead and grease it up. Oops. Didn't do this one either. Okay, let's put this back together. Set that up there for a minute. Okay, we got the transfer case back together. I will tell you that the little pin that goes from side to side, I did have to cut a little bit off of it to make it work. So a little frustrating on that one because it seems like they should have either put that in the works, let you know what you got to do, or B, send you with a smaller pin to replace that one. But is what it is. So let's go ahead and move on now to the transmission. The good news is so far they all look like they're the same size, so you don't have to second guess yourself putting them back together. Look at that, all four looks alike. Okay, so let's pull this apart here. So it looks like we're going to be replacing this one with this one. Make sure the pin works in there. Oh, it locks in nice. And then this one here, I don't know if I can become sly and do it this way or not. Okay guys, so basically you're just replacing 4 gears in this thing. You got one large one, one small one medium, and one small one. This is in your transfer case, this one's in your transmission. So there you have it, everything's been replaced, just got to put it back in the chassis. Stand by and we'll give her a test run. Don't forget to subscribe, and remember, have fun with RCs.